Hello everyone. Well, I have a bigger clock to work with. It's an old heirloom. It had problem. I got another one, but I just took it apart to find out what the problem is with the old one. Maybe I can fix it. I don't know. But this wheel right here, it doesn't. It's not spinning. It's supposed to contact with the purple, but for some reason, it moves, but not enough. The seconds work. It ticks too. This one's a ticker. The one I got is quiet. It doesn't tick. Kind of nice, but yeah, this one here, it's weird. If you see it, it moves, but very little. Sometimes it doesn't move. See, even when it was connected, it was all together. It was still giving me a problem. Strange.